Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Bank of New York Mellon. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a bnymellon.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official webpage of Bank of New York Mellon. Here you need to click on the option of client access on top right side of your screen. You click on it. Here at the client access you need to go with next in portal. You click on access over there. You will see login form page where you need to provide your user ID and password. Then click on login where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Bank of New York Mellon. As we are going to recover our password and user ID, you need to click on the link given forgot user ID. Now here to retrieve your user ID, first of all you need to provide your first name. Then you go in for providing your last name. Then you provide your registered email address. Here after you provide all the details you click on submit where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to retrieve your user ID. Similarly in the password you go back. Here you need to click on forgot password. Now to retrieve or to reset your password, first of all you need to provide your user ID. Then you go in for providing a registered email address. Here after you provide both the details you click on submit where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to reset your password as well. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online banking account password of Bank of New York Mellon. Thank you.